Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the 4 hours time frame to 30 minutes and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance for today. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today, Tuesday, July 11th, at 7 a.m. we have medium impact news plan for Australian dollar related currencies, and at 11:30 a.m. we have high impact news and medium impact news plan for British pound related currencies. At 2:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency. And today we don't have any high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs, so we can expect moderate volatility to continue in gold. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and in yesterday's analysis also we had analyzed that the current trend of the price action in the higher time frame, that is in the weekly time frame and also in the daily time frame, is in a bullish trend. So in the past we have noticed a price action to take support on the lower support line of the bullish channel pattern, and currently also we are noticing the price action to take support on this lower support line. And once the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side in 4 hours time frame and also in the higher time frame. And as per yesterday's analysis, in daily time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame, the blue color line. And yesterday also we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this resistance line, which was acting as a support line in the daily time frame, and the price is still moving within this resistance line and the support line. The candlesticks has to break this resistance line with a very strong bullish candle in order to give the confirmation on the start of the bullish trend, or the price action has to break this lower support line of this bearish channel pattern with the very strong bearish candle in order to give the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation in 4 hours time frame. So if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to retrace to this support zone, which had acted as a neck level of the double bottom pattern. And here also we have noticed the price to move very fast, so price can take support around this area, which is going to be around 1860 to 1850 or 40. So this is going to be the next support zone. For the 4 hours time frame also, when we draw a trend line connecting the previous lows of the past price action, we can notice that the price action is trading within a widening wedge formation. And here on the bullish side also we have noticed that spikes to test this resistance zone, which is around 1937, and to fall every time it tested this resistance zone, which proves that this area is a very strong supply zone for the 4 hours time frame. And when we extend this zone on the left hand side also, we can notice that this zone had acted as a very strong demand zone in the past price action. So the price action has to break this supply zone in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. We have two levels of resistance, that is this supply zone and the resistance line or the bearish trend line from the daily time frame, which the price action has to break in order to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. So for the 4 hours time frame, current support level is going to be around 1915. Once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be the daily time frame trend line or the support line. Once the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be around 1903, 1891, 1880, 1866 and 1846. This is going to be the very strong demand zone for the 4 hours time frame. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1937, next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame trend line or the resistance line. Once this resistance line is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1965, 1982, 1997. And looking at the current price action, previously the price action was in a bearish trend, and we are noticing the price action to start to trade on a sideways momentum within this resistance line and the support line from the higher time frame. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to take a decision on the directional trade in higher time frames. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side, and after taking support on the 4 hours time frame trend line or support line and the daily time frame trend line, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And currently this zone between 1937 to 1930 is acting as a very strong supply zone, and the current price action is trading below this supply zone. And on the other hand, the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line from the higher time frame, would prove that this trend line is also acting as a very strong support level for the current price action, and the current price action is consolidating within this resistance zone and the support line on a sideways price action. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to enter into the direction trade in hourly time frame also. And in the lower time frame, you can be scalping within this resistance zone and the support line. And the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. So trade with the proper stop losses so that you can avoid unexpected losses. And when we look at the support and resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1927 and support level of 1920. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1927 on the bearish side retracement, breaking the current support level of 1920, the next level of support is going to be around 1915, 1910, 1902 and 1893. And if the price action breaches this current resistance level of 1927 and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1937. The price action has to break this resistance zone or the supply zone in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame. Please refer the 4 hours time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and we already know from the higher time frame that the current price action is consolidating within this resistance zone and the support line from the higher time frames on a sideways price action. Within this sideways price action, the current resistance level is going to be around 1927. Once the price action breaches this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1930. And if the price action breaches this resistance level of 1930, next level of resistance is going to be around 1935. Whereas on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the current support level of 1922, next level of support is going to be the trend line or support line. Once this trend line is breached, the immediate support is going to be around 1918, 1914, 1909 and 1902. Since the price action is consolidating, the resistance levels and the support levels are almost similar in all the time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.